Let's talk about Verizon next. This is the largest player in the US market. It's got 144 million customers. Well, I say that, but AT&T might have given them the jump because that is the other one, which is as big as it can be. Wi-Fi, LTE, fibre optic networks, headquartered in New York City in the Midtown area. It's got US coverage, and remember, it bought back Verizon's mobile business, the stake that Vodafone had in it, a 45% stake. So that's what gives it its scale. Market cap $201.7 billion. Price earnings ratio 14.6. Dividend yield of 4.6%. Share chart, please. Let's go straight there because that'll tell a story. Is this one winning or not, Wayne?
No, it's not winning actually. It went up the beginning it went up in the middle of this year, but it's fallen all the way back. So it's where it was now, as you can see there in 2013. And remember, the Dow is a lot better than that. Yep. So this is actually, obviously it's the biggest player, but let me explain one thing. You start reading their financial reporting, and they tell you, man, we have had a fantastic time. We've done so well, and we're really proud of our achievements. Then you read a bit further, revenue's down 6%, earnings are negative. There's actually underlying in this company is not actually doing all that well.
They geared up enormously.
Massively.
$100 billion worth of debt in order to buy down that stake.
Now, and then
at very attractive rates, it must be said, because the bond market is quite attracted by slightly higher yield paper than treasuries.
You can, if they fixed that interest rates on a 10-year basis, it could look good. But then you read things that make, quite frankly, my hair stand up on my neck. Off-balance sheet securitizations. They've effectively, what's it called, discounted their debtors books to try and get more cash in. They had massive labor unrest with their own workers.
Those are the people that pull the fiber cables and all the rest of it.
They've had congressional investigations into their businesses.
But average revenues per user pretty high, $50 plus. So I mean, the question really is,
that's been quite static. It's not bad.
So I guess that's the question: is in a rich country where people are already, fairly far advanced and using lots of data, how much upside is there? It's one thing to say, well, in Iran or Nigeria, people could still go about crazy, but there maybe it's a little bit more of a.
It's not dissimilar to Chinese telecom, except these guys haven't got, they're the biggest, but they're not dominant.
And one final point to make here is that their competitor AT&T is trying to bridge the gap to content by buying Time Warner, which has got lots of
they've bought Yahoo, whether that helps them or not, I mean, who on earth knows? Verizon has bought Yahoo. So whether that helps them or not,
that's because they want to try and make, like, when you log on. So their ideal customers are someone who takes the quadruple play from them: a mobile phone, a home line, the internet, and like, I don't know, the cable as well. And that then comes all the way, and then they can have the Yahoo in there as well, and so on and so forth.
But look, when a company starts bragging that we hope to get a decent credit rating back in 2018, given our purchase of the Vodacom, you just worry.
So you're going not hot?
Not hot.
Okay, let's give it a pass. Right.